A preventive maintenance plan for your facility can help you get ahead of potential breakdowns, limiting downtime and helping extend the life of your facility and its equipment. If you've never established a preventive maintenance program, it might be hard to know where to start. Organizing the program into these sections may help you get off the ground. To maintain the building exterior, consider these tasks: inspecting your roof for leaks, looking for trees or large branches that are about to fall, checking for broken doors, windows, or fencing. Interior preventive maintenance can include testing your fire alarm system and fire extinguishers, examining door locks, and confirming that controls such as timers and photocells are working properly. For plumbing, preventive maintenance involves investigating all building plumbing for leaks or strange noises, testing boilers and water heaters, and checking sump and sewage ejection pumps. Lighting maintenance tasks include things like dusting and cleaning dirty lamps and making sure they're aimed as intended, and replacing burned out or failing bulbs and lamps. You may also consider replacing entire groups at once and establishing a rotation for this work going forward. Preventive HVAC maintenance may include changing air filters according to schedule, checking blower motors for excessive noise or vibration, and inspecting compressed air lines for leaks. This is not a comprehensive task list, and you may find you want to organize your program differently. Whatever you do, be sure to document schedules, processes, and responsibilities for all your preventive maintenance and review them regularly. For more tips on running your facility smoothly, visit the Grainger Know-How.